In this video, we're going to go through and show you how to reset your maintenance light on your Nissan. This is a 2014 Maxima. This will work for all your Nissan vehicles that have this type of screen on it. So when you start your car up, you're going to have this message coming up on your dash. Over on the left hand side, there's a button here that's got little squares. If we hit that, it'll exit out. It's going to get us to the setting menu. If not, you can keep, if you don't get to that menu right away, you can go ahead and push the square button here and it'll cycle through and you'll get to this menu here. We're going to use the circle button down here to cycle through. We're going to go down to maintenance. We're going to hit the square button again to enter. We're going to go down to oil. Okay, this is set for 5,000 miles. So if we go back, we go down, hit the circle button again to reset. We're going to push the enter button, and then we're going to hit the circle to reset. Okay, and then we're going to hit the square button again, and now we've reset it back to 0. I'm going to hit the square button again to go back. I'm going to hit circle to go over to filter. Hit the square button, which is enter. Go down to where it says reset using the circle button. Hit the square button for enter. Circle button to reset. And square, bam, back to 0. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, smash the thumbs down twice, show me how much you hated it. I'll see you next time. Thanks.